challenges are not always the absence of divine blessings. That somebody is facing challenge doesn't mean that God hates him. Sometimes those challenges are designed by God to groom you. When I was facing those challenges, I was refused visa 5 times. UK embassy refused me 3 times. Canada embassy refused me once. United States embassy refused me once. 5 times. 5 times. And sometimes when you don't tell these stories and people see you doing great things, they think it just happened like that. No. Behind every glory is a story. Behind every glory is a story, and the God of heaven is too responsible to allow you to arrive before preparation. If you arrive before preparation, you will disappear before manifestation. If you arrive before preparation, you will disappear before manifestation. Challenges are the food of champions. So you don't face challenge. Nobody opposes you. Anything you want, you get. And if God is responsible, He takes His children through phases of training and grooming. He won't give you everything you want every time. If God answers all your prayers, everything you ask God, He gives to you. You may not be alive tomorrow. You better thank God for unanswered prayers. I wanted to go to America in 1993. 93 years. 93. I was desperate. I went to the American Embassy in Nigeria. I applied to schools. 20 something years after, I lie on my face and I'm saying, thank God I did not go. Lord, thank you for not answering that prayer. Number 1, I would have missed my wife. Number 2, I will miss ministry. Number 3, do you know what it takes for God to prepare a man for 20 years for an assignment, and or for that man to miss that preparation and God for God to replace that person? A lot of people listening to me today, you forced your way into getting a particular breakthrough from God, and God was saying no, and He said, I must get that woman, I must marry that man, and you marry that man and your life enters into trap. You marry that woman and your life is padlocked. So anytime you are praying for something and you're not getting it, it's not always a sign of demonic problem. Satan is after me. Sometimes God wants to get your attention and He's telling you to wait. Wait. If I had gone to America, I would have been dead. Say, God, thank you. It was like the whole world was collapsing on me. I went to American visa. They gave me America 10 years multiple visa. About 20 years after, I didn't use it more than once or twice. The visa expired in my hands. They gave me 10 years, the same place I wanted to kill myself to go. Today, I don't use visa to go to America now. America is 1 hour drive from my house here. 1 hour drive. But in those days, it was like, America, I will die. It was when I waited on God. God did not answer that prayer. And I waited. And God took me through grooming, training. Different places, South Africa, Scotland, England, Canada, and He was taking me through different places to now bring out what I have seen, the things He has done so far. Thank God for what He has done. Do you think happens when you hear people's story and how God bailed them out? It builds your own faith, and then you will be thinking, if God can help him to solve his own problem, any problem I have, God can help me too. So I don't want people who don't face oppositions at all as friends, because sometimes the greater the oppositions that face you in life, the greater the glory. The greater the glory, the greater the opposition. In many cases, anytime you solve tough problems, the highest paid people in the world, they are some of the greatest problem solvers. Why are they paying pilots so much money? Pilots are flying people 30,000, 35,000 feet to the air. They pay them inconvenience allowance, flight allowance. They pay them all kinds of money. You are working somewhere comfortably in your house from home. You may not have a tenth of what is happening because he is solving more difficult, more challenging problems. I have worked with miners before. I worked as a process engineer for a mining company in South Africa many years back. So when you see those miners enter into the depth of the ground, if they have a kind of concrete, a kind of like cisterns that are built, if those cisterns collapse on them right inside the earth where they are dead. So they paid them so much money. So the kind of oppositions, the kind of problems, the kind of challenges, the kind of troubles that people are solving to a large extent will reveal the kind of reward that is coming.